One of the more confusing things in TypeScript is when two features do basically the same job. The type keyword and the interface keyword are a perfect example. Both can define the structure of an object, and in most situations, they're completely interchangeable. You'd never even notice the difference. So which should you choose? My short answer, reach for type the vast majority of the time. Here's why. First, you're already using type for everything else. Unions, function types, you name it. It just feels natural to stay consistent. Second, and this is the big one, interfaces have something called declaration merging. If you accidentally define two interfaces with the same name, TypeScript silently combines them into one. With type, TypeScript throws an error immediately. That's almost always the behavior you actually want. That said, interface does have its moments. If you need to extend an existing built-in type, like the window object, interfaces are the right tool. And some prefer the extend syntax for inheritance over type intersections. So, type by default, but keep interface in your back pocket.